Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing 3 trainer boxes, 3 of your premium collections, and over 50 foil packs. Today with me I got B Nasty over there setting up his camera. Check him out at, what's your channel?
Laser Reflex.
At Laser Reflex, L-A-Z-R Reflex. Check out some of his stuff on there. And we'll get right into it. I need something right here.
Bro, I can't set this camera on.
I need a top view, Ash. How do I get it from up here? Are you gonna hold it for me the whole time? Alright, Braylon, we'll take turns holding it. You hold it and then I'll hold it. Well, we gotta keep it still.
What's up, Agora?
Hey, do I got something I can like hang this from? Okay, just to show you what we got here. We got 2 of these Unova GX Premium Collections. The Dragon Majesties. One of the Salamence GX Dragon Majesty Premium Collection box. We got a Sun and Moon Trainer box, Lost Thunder training box, and a Fates Collide, along with some break points, some Fates Collides, Guardian Risings, Lost Thunder, and some Burning Shadow packs we're going to be opening today. So, without further ado. Okay, so Braylon, you got that blue box, right? The blue box and what, 5 of these? Yeah, here's your 4. Yeah, here's your 4 boxes. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do first is we're gonna open the Lost Thunders. You're not gonna be able to see the cards from up top, Braylon, so I'm trying to get a top view.
What? Hey. No, mine has a perfect...
Hey, what if we like hung something from up there to hold this?
Mine has a perfect view on the freaking... on that chair. For me.
On this chair?
Yeah.
But how you gonna see the cards while I'm opening them? That's why I'm trying to do a top view so while I'm opening them, you can see them.
Can I flip my camera over?
You got an extension cord over there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, plug this in the extension. Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Just plug it in the extension. Let me see if I can get this up here.
Bro. Hold on. Hold on.
What do you need, Stick? What? Your body?
So I have to be over here for this one.
What body?
This. I don't even have a good setup. I need it like right here so you can see the cards. Why don't you just hold it and then when it's your turn, I'll hold yours. Just hold it like this right here.
No.
Yes, what can I use to hold this?
Alright, watch out. I got mine set up right here.
You gonna hold it?
No.
Come on, who's gonna hold it?
I got mine right here.
Alright, we're gonna have Braylon do his first.
Yeah. Yo, where's my box?
The blue one's over there. We're gonna do the booster packs first.
First one.
What? Huh? Where are you trying to go?
How you do the thing? How many?
What, the card trick?
Yeah.
You could do 4 and then 2. Or you could just do 4 to the front.
4 with the front.
Mm-hmm.
One, two. Okay.
Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Alright, hold it flat so that everybody can see.
Smeargle. Granbull. Energy. Trainer. Flaffy. Electabuzz. Blitzel. Onyx. Spinarak. Popplio. Mortal.
So you didn't get nothing in that one. But at least you got a reverse hollow Smeargle. He's a rare. That wasn't that bad. You gonna talk to them?
What?
You gonna talk to the people?
Who?
People who's watching.
There ain't nobody watching you. What?
Well,
So
yours
it's done.
too.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Energy. Pupitar. Lampent. Gravel. Popplio. Litleo. Yamask. Skiddo. Chansey. Reverse Hollow.
Yeah, it's Typhlosion.
Okay, smart guy. Typhlosion and Shed Ninja. Got a reverse hollow in that pack.
Uh-oh, you're making moves now.
Making money.
You gotta get better lighting in
Yeah, for real. This lighting is terrible. My phone quality's good. I don't know about yours. What's that? One, 2, 3, 4. Front. Alright. Energy. Hitmontop. Magurna. A Trainer. Fairy Chain. Natu. Chikorita. Pachirisu.
Turn them like this way so you can see.
Hotpip. Carbink. Morel. Reverse Hollow Morel. And, ooh, we got an Ultra Beast.
What?
Got him.
He just pulled a Nihilego holographic. This one's like being used a lot on
200?
this is being used a lot on the competitions. That's a good card. You might need to sleeve that up.
Alright,
I
well,
might
my
need to
sleep
sleeve
pile
it.
right here.
It might not be an ultra rare, but
Bruh, messing up my camera angle. My camera.
alright, let's get into the next one. Well, let's keep them in the shot so you can actually see them. What? Hmm? You gotta just keep eating V.
Trying to get down
Circle.
the play, fight China. Tell her that she be every day. Jump in that we play right.
So what's the concept today? What are you trying to do?
Trying to get a Ultra Beast rare or something.
I'm trying to get a full art. Full art. Hollow.
Alright. Energy. Curlia. Mantine. Gyarados. Houndour. Alolan Diglett. Trico. Another Chansey. Another Pachirisu. Reverse Hollow Meganium. And a Miltank.
Okay. That's your 4?
Yep.
Okay. Then we'll do your trainer box. Do you want to do your trainer box now?
Yeah.
Okay, hold this right here just like that. Move this hand. Just hold it right there. Okay, we'll get into the trainer box that we got.
Look at all those. Oh my god.
Make it a mess.
Come
Make it a
on.
mess.
You keep messing up my camera angle, bro.
Alright. Now moving on to the Elite Trainer box. I think we need to move them whites over here.
Are you making them see in the dark?
Oh, I can edit it, right?
So why don't you just turn the lamp?
They don't turn. Better? Yeah, that's a lot better.
Oh my god, here we go. Take serious YouTuber. Let's see here.
What do you got in it?
I don't know.
Well, keep it on the table so people can see what you're opening. What do you got there? Player's guide? The player's guide.
You kidding me?
Got some dice. Yeah, that's the play. GX. Little magnet. Dang, got some packs in there, boy. What else is in there? Let's see the sleeves. Show them the sleeves, how they look. That's your energies. And those are the sleeves. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Kind of look like the box.
So open the Ultra Beast these first, or
What are those?
they're not sized?
I think they're just to set your card on. Those ain't cards.
That's dumb.
Those are gonna be your packs right there. Should be 8 of them. Yeah, pull them all out and then move this.
First pack of the
Oh, this is blocking your video.
Yeah, bro. One, two, three, four. Alright. So we got here Energy with Trainer, Hitmontop, Magorna, Rockfish, Larvitar, another Carbon, Chikorita, Scyther, and a reverse hollow Diglett.
A Alolan Diglett. And a Steelix, that's your rare.
Steelix.
Regular rare.
Oh yeah. Let me look at 7.
Should have 7 more.
Grab the box.
I
Semen
need something to hold this.
It's exercise for you.
Like, what about some tape up to the ceiling? Just have it hanging like that.
Energy. Delibird. Bayleaf. Sudowoodo. Mareep. Wurmple. Ooh, Jigglypuff. Alolan Meowth.
I just need like a top view.
Cubchoo. Reverse Hollow Electabuzz. And a Priroar. Evolved from Litleo.
What's your rare?
Yeah, maybe.
It's the stars, Braylon. This is your rares.
I'm gonna put my minis.
Well, you kind of want to
Just
just
go outside.
keep your hollows to the side.
Outside.
I don't know about that. She wants attention. But mom don't give her any. Okay. Energy. Trainer. Silcoon. Another trainer. Puppet.